Committee on Tribal Unity CoTU na Sadar Hills Kangpokpi da chathakhiba 48-hour total shutdown Matung Makha Taba Khongjang Changsinnaba Meeyam oiba Meepham Pangthoklagani hairi. Panbagay total shutdown asina mahusagi punsida chauna akaiba piki. Nini chanba numitasu National Highway 2 gi lambida gari chen khide dukan thong lona ki. Mahiroi singda mahiroi lagna khide. Kuki jo Meeyam na lambida thoraktuna Kangpokpi District Headquarters amadi Gampi Faigi Mafam Singh da Charawok Singh Thinki, Hiramasiga Mari Lainana, CoTU General Secretary, Lamilun Singh Sitna, Hayeng Ayok Pungtarukta, Loishingadaba Total Sadawna Si, Sagaliba Meeyam da Tagat Bafongdoki, Meeyam na Makha Tana, Mikub Nahum Singh na Lainaba, Jackson Wasu Thamki.
If the government does not pay heed to the legitimate demands of the Kukizo community, after the 48-hour total shutdown, the committee will immediately consider another course of action in consultation with the public. The committee appeals to the general people to remain alert and continue to support our fight for justice. We believe in the power of the institutions of democracy and the voice of the people. Our right to stand against majoritarian rule and the dictatorial tyranny should be fought to a nail.